How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out this 2-pack of temperature meat probes. They're replacements for Pit Boss pellet grills and smokers. They have a 3.5 millimeter plug. They are a thermometer probe accessory. It comes again in a 2-pack with silicone grips as well as holding clips. So I'll open this thing up and I'll give you guys a look at what's inside. So inside the package, you're going to receive a Amazon shipping card, kind of give you some more information and directions to their store for more supplies. You receive the 2 meat probe clips as described and the 2 meat probes themselves. They do have this stainless steel mesh coring, which is really nice, 3.5 millimeter plug, silicone grips right here, and a nice tip on the end to insert into your meat. Now this is my Pro Series Pit Boss 1150 PS2, and as you can see, I do have 4 ports for meat probes, and all you have to do is insert it into that, and then your meat probe is ready to go. And as you can see, we have both of our meat probes here. They're bouncing around because the smoker has just started and it is adding heat, but as you can see, they do register on here just fine. It's really hard to see, but this one is reading 80, this one's reading 80. And if we go over here, we have 81 or 80 and a half. They are bouncing back between 82 and 80. So these are all very, very close in their measuring capabilities. And right there you can see the probe clip. Thank you guys for watching this video on this 2-pack temperature meat probe replacements for Pit Boss pellet grills. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Have a great day.